Namaste Gurukulians. I hope you all are fit and fine. In the today's lecture, we will do the concept of combination of resistances in the electric circuit. Okay, in the previous video you have learned about the resistance, then resistivity, and today we are doing combination of resistances. What is the purpose to do this topic? Actually, in daily practical life, we need controlled voltages and controlled current in the electric circuit. For example, you want to increase the current in the circuit, then you have to reduce the resistance. If you want to decrease the resistance, then you have to increase the resistance in the circuit. So, how to increase, how to decrease the resistances in the circuit, this we will study in the combination of resistances. So, two type of combinations we have. First, series combination. सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन का मीनिंग होता है एंड टू एंड कनेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द फर्स्ट रजिस्टर, दिस इज द सेकेंड रजिस्टर, दिस इज द एंड टू एंड कनेक्शन. If resistances are connected end to end, means there is only one direct link between the resistances, then they are in series combination. So, in series combination, resistors are connected end to end. That is one direct connection is there. Clear? So, if we combine the resistances in series combination, we have to calculate the total resistance of the circuit. Suppose we have three resistances, that is R1, R2, R3. They are in series combination. Why? Because in between two resistances, one direct link. In between R2 and R3, there is one direct link, and we have connected them with the help of a battery that has voltage V. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आप R1 और R3 को देखो, इनके बीच क्या आ गया? एक बैटरी आ गई है. क्लियर? सो R1 और R2 एक डायरेक्ट लिंक से अटैच है. R2 का दूसरा एंड R1 से नहीं R3 से अटैच है. R3 का एक एंड R2 से अटैच है. R3 का दूसरा एंड R2 से अटैच नहीं है. तो बिटवीन रजिस्टेंसेज ओनली वन डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन इज देयर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, now what we have to do? We have to calculate the R equivalent of this circuit. Suppose I is the current in the circuit. If the current is entering from this side, same amount of current will come from this side. Clear? You can observe with the help of ammeter also. If you connect ammeter here at this point, at this point, or at this point, you will find the same value in the ammeter in each case. So students, across R1, the voltage is V1. Across R2, let voltage is V2. Across R3, let voltage is V3. So total voltage will be equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So students, let I is the current flowing in the circuit across R1, R2 and R3. So V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. We can write it as, okay, V1 according to Ohm's law, V equal to I into R. So V1 equal to I across R1 and into R1, I into R1 plus V2 करंट अक्रॉस R2 क्या है I into R2 प्लस V3 I into R3 क्योंकि R3 के अक्रॉस करंट की वैल्यू क्या है I, so it will be I into R3. Total voltage will be equal to total current I and total resistance, that is R equivalent. This we have to calculate. Okay, from here I will get cancel out, so R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. For example, if there are 4 resistors, let R4 is also there, then here plus R4 will come, clear? So for n resistors the value will be R1 plus R2 plus R3 for n resistors. R equivalent will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, so over Rn, clear? If R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to Rn, it will become R plus R up to n times, then R equivalent will be equal to n into R, clear? So students, whenever series combination is given to us, then take care that same amount of current will flow across each resistances, clear? Second, the total voltage will divided across every resistance, clear hai? And the last most important is that the total resistance of the circuit will be equal to sum of individual resistances, clear? So here I am writing total resistance of circuit becomes equal to sum of individual resistances, clear? So this kind of combination we use in that circuit where we have to reduce the value of current, because in series combination the resistance becomes increase, becomes high, clear? So note, एक बात हमेशा ध्यान रखना, in series combination current remains same, clear, across every resistance, clear? And total resistance of circuit becomes high, clear? So based on series combination, now I will do one numerical. So students, this is a circuit. Here I have connected 5 ohm and 15 ohm in series combination. Why? Because there is a direct connection between them here, but second end of 15 ohm is not direct connected with 5 ohm because in between a battery has come, clear? So calculate total resistance, clear? Second, current in circuit. Third, voltage across 5 ohm and 15 ohm. Clear? So students, now first part, total resistance we have to calculate. Total resistance will become R1 plus R2, that is 5 ohm plus 15 ohm. So first part, R equivalent 5 ohm plus 15 ohm, it is equal to 20 ohm. Second, we have to calculate current in the circuit. Now V equal to R into I. Total V will be equal to R equivalent into I. Clear? Total V is equal to 20 volt. Clear? Now R equivalent we have calculated, that is 20 ohm. I we have to calculate 20 volt equal to 20 ohm into I. Then I will be 1 ampere. Clear? Third part. In this, we have to calculate voltage across each resistance. Okay, voltage across 5 ohm. V किसके इक्वल होता है? R इंटू आई के. तो करंट अक्रॉस 5 ohm इंटू R 5 ohm. क्लियर? करंट कितना है सर्किट में? 1 एम्पियर. R 5, क्योंकि मुझे 5 ओम के अक्रॉस पोटेंशियल चाहिए, तो R की वैल्यू कितनी है? 5. तो इट विल बी 5 वोल्ट. क्लियर? नाउ वोल्टेज अक्रॉस 15 ओम, I इंटू R. करंट अक्रॉस 15 ओम कितना है? 1 एम्पियर इंटू R की वैल्यू कितना है? 15 ओम. So it will be 15 volt, and you can check here 20 volt will get divided across 5 ohm and 15 ohm. Across 5 ohm it is 5 volt, across 15 it is 15 volt, and total sum of 15 plus 5 will come equal to 20 volt. So in series combination numericals, total resistance can be asked, total current in the circuit, and potential across each resistances can be asked. Clear? Okay students, now second type of combination, we have parallel combination of resistances. In this combination, the resistances are connected in between two common terminals. For example, like this. If you look at two resistances, suppose it is R1, it is R2. They are connected at one terminal, and this is second common terminal. Whereas in series combination, the resistances are connected only across one common terminal. This is the main difference between parallel combination and series combination. So we can say that resistances are connected in parallel combination. Resistances are in parallel combination if they are connected in between two common terminals. And in parallel combination of resistances, one thing is there, when the resistors are connected, then voltage across every resistor remains same. Here voltage or potential across every resistance is same. Again, what we have to do, we have to calculate the R equivalent in the parallel combination of resistances. In the same way, I will take three resistors R1, R2 and R3 connected in parallel. This is R1, this is R2, this is R3. Across the same source, they are connected. R1, R2, R3. Okay, this is voltage V. Now, voltage across R1, R2 and R3 will remain same. Okay, R1, R2, they are in parallel क्योंकि दोनों के दोनों 1 और 2 दो कॉमन टर्मिनल के बीच जुड़े हुए हैं. इन द सेम वे R2 and R3 1, 2. Clear? So, in this circuit we have to calculate the R equivalent. Clear है? Let the current is I in the circuit. Here current will divide into three parts. Here I1, here I2, here I3. Clear? From this I1, I2 and I3 again the current will be I. Clear? Okay. Let V is the potential across R1, R2 and R3. Then we can write I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. क्योंकि करंट की वैल्यू यहाँ पर तीन हिस्सों में डिवाइड होगी I1, I2 एंड I3 पर. क्लियर है? ओके, दिस इज अ टोटल करंट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू ओम्स लॉ वी हैव टू राइट I इक्वल टू V अपॉन R. टोटल करंट है तो टोटल वोल्टेज कितना है V. टोटल रेजिस्टेंस वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट, लेट इट इज R इक्विवेलेंट. क्लियर है? I1 की वैल्यू कितना है V. I1 करंट है अक्रॉस R1 तो पोटेंशियल अक्रॉस R1 कितना है V, क्योंकि इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन पोटेंशियल रिमेन सेम. सो V अपॉन R1. I2 करंट अक्रॉस R2 है तो पोटेंशियल अक्रॉस R2 कितने V. V डिवाइड बाय R2 विल बी इक्वल टू I2 प्लस V बाय R3. क्लियर? Now, from there we have 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. If you have 4 resistors, then plus 1 by R4 will come. If n resistors are there, then we can write 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 so on 1 by Rn. Clear है? So in parallel combination we can say that the reciprocal of equivalent resistance is equal to sum of reciprocal of individual resistances. So in parallel combination reciprocal of equivalent resistance is equal to sum of reciprocal of individual resistances. Clear? Okay, students, R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 up to equal to Rn. यदि सब रजिस्टर्स की वैल्यू सेम हो जाए, let it is R, then we can say that 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R प्लस 1/r अप टू 1/r। क्लियर है? और ये एक टर्म कितनी गई है? n टाइम्स, क्योंकि मेरे पास n नंबर ऑफ रजिस्टर्स हैं। क्लियर? ओके, 1/r प्लस 1/r, 2/r, 3/r, कितने टाइम्स है ये? n टाइम्स। देन इट विल गिव 1/r इक्विवेलेंट इज इक्वल टू n over r। Clear? Okay, from there we can say that r equivalent is equal to r by n। यदि मान लो आपके पास दो रजिस्टर से सेम वैल्यू के, देन द टोटल रेजिस्टेंस विल बी इक्वल टू r by 2। यदि 3 है तो r by 3, if there are 4 then r by 4, if there are 5 then r by 5। It means in parallel combination the net resistance become less। Clear? Okay, note first point, potential across each resistance is equal। क्लियर है? सेकेंड पॉइंट, नेट रेजिस्टेंस becomes less। क्लियर? Okay students, now based on parallel combination we will do one numerical। Okay, suppose this is 30 volt। Clear? This is 5 ohm resistance, 10 ohm resistance, 15 ohm resistance, they are connected with 30 volt battery। what you have to do, calculate total resistance, second calculate total current, third calculate current across each resistors। clear है? Okay students, this is a parallel combination, so voltage across 5 ohm will be 30 volt, across 10 ohm 30 volt, across 15 ohm it is 30 volt। यदि आप कहे कि सर आई डोंट एग्री विद यू दैट वोल्टेज रिमेन सेम अक्रॉस एवरी रजिस्टर, यू कैन डू इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ वोल्ट मीटर। इफ यू कनेक्ट वोल्ट मीटर here or here, then you will find the same value in the voltmeter। hence we can say that potential in the parallel combination remains same। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा ध्यान से देखेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टोटल रेजिस्टेंस in parallel combination, the reciprocal of equivalent resistance will become equal to sum of reciprocal of each resistance, तो 1/R1, suppose it is 5, 1/R2 plus 1/R3। clear है? so we have to take LCM of this। clear? it will be 36 plus 3 plus 2, it is equal to R equivalent। clear? now 1/R equivalent is equal to 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11/30, तो R equivalent is equal to 30/11 ohm। clear? ठीक। okay students, it will be approx 3 या 2.8 or 9 you can say। एक चीज़ यहाँ से जरूर देखेंगे, यहाँ पे मेरे पास R1 5 है, R2 10 है, R3 15 है, टोटल R कितना है? अप्रोक्स 3। तो पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में जो नेट रेजिस्टेंस होता है वो इंडिविजुअल रेजिस्टेंस से भी बहुत ज़्यादा कम होता है। क्लियर है? ओके, फर्स्ट वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड। नाउ सेकंड, टोटल करंट। करंट इज इक्वल टू V अपॉन R इक्विवेलेंट। करंट इज इक्वल टू V कितना है? 30 डिवाइड बाय R इक्विवेलेंट 30 अपॉन 11। क्लियर है? सो करंट विल बी इक्वल टू 11 एम्पियर। क्लियर? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ थर्ड, current across each resistor. It means, for example, there is current I. It is I1, I2, I3. You have to calculate I1, I2 and I3. Clear है? अच्छा, across 5 ohm पोटेंशियल कितना है? 30 वोल्ट। तो पोटेंशियल मुझे पता है, रेजिस्टेंस मुझे पता है, I1 I can calculate. In the same way, across 10 ohm I2 I have to calculate. Across 10 ohm voltage is 30, तो 30 over 10 I2. Across I3 it is 15 ohm, वोल्टेज कितना है? 15 ohm के अक्रॉस 30 वोल्ट, तो 30 डिवाइड बाय 15 आई विल गेट I3. नाउ I1 इज इक्वल टू वोल्टेज अक्रॉस 5 ohm डिवाइड बाय 5 ohm। देखेंगे I क्या होता है? V अपॉन R। I1 किसके क्रॉस है? 5 ओम के क्रॉस है, तो वोल्टेज अक्रॉस 5 ओम डिवाइड बाय 5 ओम। सो I1 इज इक्वल टू वोल्टेज कितना है? 30 डिवाइड बाय 5, तो इट इज 6 एम्पियर। क्लियर? नाउ I2 है वोल्टेज अक्रॉस 10 ओम डिवाइड बाय 10, I इक्वल टू V अपॉन R, तो वोल्टेज अक्रॉस 10 ओम कितना है? 30, तो 30 डिवाइड बाय R, R की वैल्यू यहाँ पर कितनी है? 10। सो इट विल बी वोल्टेज अक्रॉस 10 ओम डिवाइड बाय 10, सो इट विल बी 30 डिवाइड बाय 10, 3 एम्पियर। क्लियर? सो एट द लास्ट across 15 ohm we have to calculate. It is I3, voltage across 15 ohm divided by 15, so it will be 30 divided by 15, it is 2 ampere. Clear? So across 5 ohm it is 6 ampere, across 10 ohm it is 3 ampere, across 15 ohm it is 2 एम्पियर। क्लियर है? सो टोटल I वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड, इट इज 11, तो 11 6 प्लस 3 प्लस 2 अगेन इट इज 11 एम्पियर। सो 11 एम्पियर में से 6 एम्पियर करंट कहाँ चला गया? 5 ओम के अक्रॉस। 3 एम्पियर कहाँ चला गया? 10 ओम के अक्रॉस। 2 एम्पियर कहाँ चला गया? 15 ओम के अक्रॉस। क्लियर है? सो स्टूडेंट्स, whenever the question is regarding the parallel combination, then the examiner will ask about total resistance, clear है, total current in the circuit, third current across each resistor, clear है, और वेरीफाई आप कैसे कर सकते हो? जो टोटल वैल्यू आई है करंट की, दिस शुड बी इक्वल टू सम ऑफ करंट अक्रॉस ईच रजिस्टर। क्लियर है? So students, it is all about series and parallel combination. Now I will make a summary between series combination and parallel combination. Series and parallel. Clear? Okay, in series combination current remains same across each resistor. In parallel voltage remain same across each register. Clear है? Second, only one common terminal is there. In parallel, two common terminals are there. Clear है? In series combination, total resistance become हाई. और एक और बात का ध्यान रखेंगे, सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में जो टोटल रेजिस्टेंस होता है इंडिविजुअल रेजिस्टेंस से हाई होता है. सो वी कैन राइट becomes high, then individual resistance. Clear? But in parallel combination, हम इस एग्जांपल में देख चुके हैं, पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में जो नेट रेजिस्टेंस आता है वो इंडिविजुअल रेजिस्टेंस से क्या होता है, कम होता है. टोटल resistance always less than individual resistance. Clear, students? Okay, students, in next video I will teach the advantage of parallel combination over series combination. Then we will do the numericals in the complex circuit, the circuit which is not series and not parallel combination circuit. Clear? So students, it is all about series and parallel. I hope that it is sufficient for the today's lecture. So students, have a nice day and thank you.